that one can just piss right off. Let's kill this guy. Okay, so you like to breathe fire. Schrödinger. That's pretty cool. Like Schrödinger's cat. It's neither alive or dead. You never know until you look at it. Where is this guy? Hello. Hello, kind sir. He's just casually trotting along his way up here to kill me. Hello. Rah. Oh, Havel's shield. Nice sword, bro. Oh. I have no idea how to fight this guy. What is this? Lag or something? What the fuck? Gotcha. I don't know how I hit him then. Are you like lagging, dude? Whoa, he actually got me. Damn. What's up, PV? PvPs? Nah, I got what is it? Invaded. And he took me up to 690. I think he was lagging though, cause I don't know, that was some weird shit. How's your day been, mate? My first loss so far. Yeah, I'll take that with a shot of dignity. He did good. It looked like he was lagging. I don't know, but yeah, it was quite the odd experience, I must say. Oh crap. Gut shot. Wasn't this the first actual invasion? Nah. Nah, I've had a couple more. What, there's more? Wait, what's here? Demon ahead. Try blocking. Hold on now. I went to sleep at 665 deaths, and now I wake up hours later and it's only 25 deaths. Semp is hacking? Nah, I don't know, like, He's the best now. Watch your back. Nah, I'm not the best. I don't know, man. Like, some of the bosses seem to have been quite easy. They haven't been. I guess my build's decent. Pansy hates my build. Like, I don't know. It can't be too good. Why do you count PvP deaths? Because I died. I don't know. It shouldn't add to the total to complete the game, I don't think. You don't think? It should. He died, so it counts. I have no idea. Is it death? So I just put it up there. You just wait until BOC. It's all deaths. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do this for science. Apparently there's a demon ahead. Harder things than man anus. Do I expect harder things than man anus? Try hard. PvP is an integral part of Souls games. Yeah. I honestly don't know if I expect man anus, or mananus, or manish. He wasn't actually that hard for me. If there's anything like Artorias or ONS, then I'm fucked. For science. Oh, what? Okay, he didn't hit me. Holy shit, that damage. Mugetsu, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to my train pain. I mean my pain train. Fuck. Oops. Oh crap. Ouch. Why is there so many bosses in this place? Holy shit. Ouch. I did it. Hey. Demon's Catalyst. Okay. But he's pissed. Yeah. Yeah, he looked quite angry. Thank you very much. Holy... Oh, what? Oh, that fire. Crap, this place is so big. Thank you for the GG. Yeah, I've got to tell you again today, thanks heaps P for everything you've done, man. Much appreciated. It's been an awesome ride today. I had no idea any of this would have happened. Thank you so much. I have to go. Make sure you follow the rules. Have a good one, guys. See you tomorrow. Catch you later, pimpin'. Thanks heaps, man, for today. Sorry about what happened earlier, man. Thank you so much. You've been awesome, dude. Thanks heaps, man. Oh gosh, it's not like he was actually good at PvE. That's not very nice. Oh, what the crap. Top Burger. How's it going, man? See you later, pimpin'. Champion. What's this gonna take me? Jump in the hole? Jump in the hole for science. No problem, man. It's awesome to see the viewer count so high after hours later. Normally in big raids like that, they just check out the stream and leave after minutes, let alone hang out for hours. Nice. That's all good, man. You just woke up? Holy shit, dude. Yeah, this train hasn't stopped whatsoever. That fire looks awesome. Yeah, I've only been new, like I'm still really new to streaming, but I've been watching, holy crap, I've been watching streams for the last quite a few years, but only lately have I, since I got my new computer, I've wanted to do streaming. Like, well, I've wanted to do streaming, but I've only been able to do it since I got my new PC. And I can guarantee you one thing: it's a life changer, and it's a lifestyle too. But yeah, thank you so much, and Kazi, thank you very much as well. It's been such an awesome ride with you guys. Them feels. Damn perfect track list. Oh, you mean my music, dude? If so, thank you. Fell asleep during P stream, woke up and was pleasantly surprised. What's up, Junty? How's it going? What did you accomplish while I was away? Yeah, just keep in mind, if there's a huge raid like last night, most people just join in for the raid and leave abruptly. So just keep in mind, it's nothing you're doing wrong if the viewer count drops rapidly after a raid. It's just inevitable. It's the way of raids. Yeah, I know, dude. It's all good. I'm stoked still. Like, didn't even expect to have 80 people watching me. I think that's how many there is. But it's just completely unreal. Oh no, another boss. Oh man. What the fuck is that? Oh wait, that looks like a centipede. Oh, that is nasty. I know, man, it's totally insane. It's totally insane. Like,